Who is cooking?
Who is cooking?
Who is cooking?
Who is cooking?
What are you cooking?
It's adobo.
Adobo.
Sayang na wala tayong mami, no?
Ano yun?
Wala tayong patata.
Ah, yes. Naubos. Hindi nga kinain yung patapa. Sayang.
Yung sa, nilagay mo sa egg?
Yan, haluan lang natin na. Kung minsan, itlog ang nilahalo na.
Boiled egg yun, mami.
Boiled egg.
Hindi naman tayo nag-boil.
Wala nga.
We forgot.
Next time na lang, we'll to prepare everything.
Gonna put some water so that
So that will gonna be tender. Chicken adobo.